Why there no house here?
Hmm?
Why there no house here? Why there no house here, Mom? Why there no more help? Hey! Hey! Welcome to your channel. It's me, Ham. Now we're sitting here. And my water too. And my nice bye-bye and our chair and my chair and our bed.
So, nandito kami guys sa kanto.
Hanto
Dito sa
Forest!
may ilog.
Hey, Mom,
Malapit lang dito sa amin.
it's a Hanto Forest.
Yeah, kasi nga sobrang init sa
Garden
garden to dito. Guys. Tingnan nyo.
No! Say bye! Say bye, bye, bye!
Ayan. So, nandito kami. Na may riprap.
Oh! Shit, it's the button. Oh.
At medyo matagal-tagal tayo walang upload, walang video.
What?
Ngayon lang ulit.
What?
Ay, ito na naman oh. Walang pagbabago talaga ang kalikuran ni Ga.
What?
Stop na kapit. Ito.
I said, what? How about I say? Hey, how about I say?
Oh, dito.
No, never. I knew. There's a 20.
Sarap ng simoy
There's
ng
a
hangin
tomato.
dito.
Oh, and hold your seeds now. And hold the base now. Okay? Goodbye.
Kanina pa kami dito. Mag-alas 4 yan. Mag-alas 4 nandito pa rin kami.
And bye now. This is my channel.
Pinaligo ko lang si Gap. Kasi nga
Oh!
pawisin.
I found it!
Madumi pati mga paa niya. Ay, wala.
No.
Pero mamaya dito malamok na. Mga alas 6. Lumilim na. Good.
What's that? Look, he's here. He's here. Let's get one more. He said hi. What news? What is the news? Here's a tomato. And talk to your guys now. Okay? Okay, bye. And subscribe to your channel. It's why you see on your channel, well, hi.
Ayan nyo guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung likod dito.
Oh no! Oh.
Wait lang. Ayan guys, tapos ilok yan dito guys. Mga kawayan to dito. Ayan o.
Mommy, what I mean?
Okay. Ayan, may dala kaming duyan. Ayan.
Oh, ma'am.
Tapos yung daan na yan, papunta dun sa amin. Ayan. Hmm? Hindi ba? Kaya mahangin dito. May mga puno. Kita mo na hindi dyan? Gusto mo? Hindi na kita dyan, oh.
I'm sorry, Mom. I want. Hey, Mom, that's enough, Mom.
Okay. Don't go down.
Hey, oh, dear, oh, down. Hi. Happy.